I'm out today, out walking with my family. Remember how I will walk with them every Sunday? Today we're out. I haven't walked in a while with them. I doubt if I can be able to keep up with.
In December, we give our gifts, wishing well to our world, peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joyful when all is calm and all is bright. But why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing.
It's a beautiful day, as you can see. I think I overdressed. Yeah, I definitely overdressed. We're going to get started in a minute. I'll see you on the trail.
You can only go. You see what I'm talking about? Those two things right there.
You think they're leaves?
No, it's like some sort of plant that's
Radiates, lights up my memories, the magic of love. We made time, but why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, night divine. And those silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all. And those silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all, to
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do.